hydration is essential to overall health. It contributes to comfort, energy levels, and the prevention of certain complications. Did you know that the human body is composed of approximately 63% water, making it a key element to care?
The goal of our project is to improve the hydration of all of our residents across our long-term care facilities in our CIUS. We're looking not only to offer them something to drink during the meal, but to offer them something 3 times a day in between meals. We've decided to accomplish this by offering something to drink, be it water mixed with fruits, juice, or thickened liquids in between a meal 3 times a day. The goal is to make hydrating fun, accessible, and appealing so that our residents are meeting their nutritional needs.
Myself, I don't take water just by myself. I have some in the fridge there, but it's better with the fruit in it. It has a taste, and it's very, very refreshing. And they knock on your door and do you want any water, and are you all right? We have a good service, a very good service.
So it's important to hydrate your residents, prevent them from having dehydration, from complications like falls, preventing infection, confusion, even hospitalization.
Yeah, hydration is crucial. It's crucial for my mom. My mom is subject to UTIs, so every day I am making sure she's having enough liquid. Even the caregivers are making sure they are giving her enough liquid every day. So when I saw the hydration station, I was very, very happy, surprisingly happy.
Ensuring a good hydration is an important focus within our directorate. I encourage you to drink fluids and stay hydrated throughout the day.